So, let's take a look at how a man in South Korea is building their house on top of a mountain. This video has been taken from Killer Countryside Life YouTube channel. He is building a house in such a way that it stays warm in the middle at all times, because he is creating a kind of chimney beneath the floor. To make the base level, she is using large stones instead of bricks, which helps create a much more stable foundation. This is truly a unique house he is building, where the floor stays warm, which is essential because up on the mountain, it can get really cold. He has put a lot of care into crafting the base of the chimney, right from the ground, making sure it's really sturdy and well built. The structure he has built for the heated floor also includes a pipeline to carry out the smoke. He is lighting a fire to check if his heated floor actually works and if the smoke is correctly venting out through the pipe. He is using larger-sized cement bricks to build the walls, which help keep the house warm. He is constructing the walls with these bricks, and then he is adding a layer of wood on top, after which he will build a roof. He is placing the wooden planks one by one at equal distances, so the roof will be completely even. He is using a kind of chemical to treat the wooden material so that it sets properly and also helps regulate the temperature. This is not just a regular house, he is also installing lights inside so that it looks nicer and the illumination is better. Before pouring the concrete in the middle, he will create a structure using a large steel rod. Now, he is giving the finishing touches, fixing any areas that look bad or need improvement so everything is just right. He installed a glass sliding window in his house, which looks really beautiful. In his modern house, he installed a door with a smart locking system, which really makes it a smart home. Instead of paint on the walls, he is using wall stickers, which look really beautiful. Just like on the walls, in the middle, he is using a kind of sticker in place of tiles, which looks exactly like real tiles. He has created a unique structure for boiling food or heating things, which is attached right to the middle of the house. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it, because here we saw how, in Korea, a person built a smart home in the middle of the mountains.